The toppest reviews the 10 best stick vacuums under $50 on Amazon. Number 10. Elezon E600 Vacuum Cleaner. It's the perfect tool for cleaning hardwood floors, tile and other hard surfaces in the house. The detachable nozzle can be used to clean small spaces like furniture or car interiors. The Elezon E600 Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner with a powerful motor. It has an easy-to-empty dust cup. Its long 33 cord means you don't have to keep changing outlets as often when cleaning larger areas.